am so glad you joined us again for another plant-based cooking class. Today we're going to do something that's more for lunch. Whether it's your lunch to take to work, or your kids' lunch for school or at home, or maybe you want to use it as a snack to put on crackers, but give us a bit and I'll give you some examples and show you what I mean. This one is really easy. Start out with garbanzos, chickpeas, whatever you want to call them. Depends on where you live as to what they're called. And the directions say to mash them. Well, I'm just going to stick it in the food processor. The whole can. Take the lid off. And then the next ingredient is plant-based mayonnaise. I know some of you are going to go, where do I get that? There is mayonnaise that's called Veganex that you can get. It's a little bit more expensive. I found this at Publix, buy one, get one free. I was so excited. Walmart also carries it, so I'm sure that Winn-Dixie and Harvey's carries. Yeah, it's going to be a little more expensive than regular mayonnaise, but it's totally plant-based. Non-dairy, vegan, whatever you want to call it. So the mayonnaise, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Yeah, I know, tapping is noisy. Okay, and then we're going to go with some spicy brown mustard. You could probably use regular mustard, but this just adds a kick to it. And it calls for 2 teaspoons. There's my teaspoon. Shake it up. Make a mess. It just splattered me. And my cameraman's laughing at me. Okay, come on, a little bit more. There we go. And also we're going to put in a tablespoon of sweet pickle relish. And for those of you who have, this is not an advertisement for Dollar Tree, but for those of you who buy sweet pickle relish, often you will find that it has hydrogenated palm sweetener. This I get at Dollar Tree, and it has cucumbers, sugar, and whatever. It does not have hydrogenated anything in it. It can't lose. And it tastes pretty good too. Okay, so we're going to put a tablespoon of that. Two green onions. I'll chop them up just a little bit so that they will blend a little bit better in the food processor. Move things out of the way so you can sort of see what I'm doing. Okay, dump that in. It says salt to taste. I don't know. I'm just going to put in a little bit. Put on the lid. Turn it on, and we'll have noise. And that is all there is to it. Now this is called not quite tuna. So it would take the place of tuna salad. Since I'm a vegetarian, I always have been vegetarian, I have no idea what tuna salad tastes like. Besides, I don't like the smell of it, so I wouldn't be able to get close enough to taste it anyway. But this can take the place of tuna salad for your sandwiches. And you could add a tomato and some lettuce. Or maybe you're having a party and you want to put on some crackers. And there you have it. All right, let's see how this turns out. That's good. That's good. Takes the place of tuna. Not quite tuna. And check the link, there will be a recipe for you to enjoy. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you're blessed by that message, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of them. We try to post every Saturday at 6 o'clock. Also, hit that like button, comment below, share with your friends. We try to read the comments and reply as possible, and may God bless you.